prepare, then cease working. Ship news on Monday at SexWW. Hundreds of festival attendees crammed into a virtual Zen space with gorgeous cherry and bamboo trees that sway in the wind and a clear memorial to the Japanese hunting dog breed new name the Temple, just hours after Silicon Valley Bank's failure put most tech startups' futures at risk. The CEO of Google claims that Shiba Inus will burn in remembrance of the cryptocurrency statement "We're all going to make it," which gave consumers a respite from the collapsing financial system and a peek at the metaverse that the shoe cryptocurrency producers were creating. Prepare to never work again. To see more professional analysis and price estimates for Shiba Inus, please subscribe, share, and give this news video about ships a thumbs up. Let's get started. Cryptocurrency will need to become less centralized in order to prevent bank runs like the one that occurred last Friday. Shakuzuma is one of the oddballs that works on Shiba Inus. He just uses his fictitious name and a photo of himself that he found on Google Meet Tails Fast Company. He won't talk aloud, so he types into a chatbot and turns off his video camera before titling the bank's fractional funds. As more individuals choose to diversify and comprehend this, the number of people adopting this five globally rises, raising curiosity and demonstrating our greatness. The token was initially intended to be a joke to create a cryptocurrency that would outperform Dogecoin and beat the rival meme-based cryptocurrency Doin, but its devoted followers, known as the Ship Army, took it very seriously and helped it become a top 10 cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $44 billion. A grassroots movement on social media along the way has helped its reach grow with the release of ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange tool for a group of 10,000 show share. Web3 believers are still a small group on Twitter, but among cryptocurrency enthusiasts, Dean Ship may have the most devoted followers. Mixel Shabo figures with various appearances, such as a dog wearing a pirate cap or a pizza in its mouth. Elon Musk, well known in the cryptocurrency world and the creator of Ethereum, the company is making its biggest step forward with the addition of Shiram to the blockchain. The world praised Shabo, which led to a relationship with Bugatti, a Canadian luggage brand. What began as glib trolling by 3.6 million people now follows the joke crowd on cryptocurrency. Some of the biggest people on Twitter are quick to jump on news stories and use hashtags like #ShipArmyStrong and #HailShip to make their point. They even promised to take the ship hashtag to the moon in 2022. Currently, Shabo is the third most searched coin in the world. This is the latest development for the company. The ship aspires to be more than a gag item. The mystique of Shinu's Bazaar contributes to its allure. No one knows how much money the ship has because Shower NFT sales cash is used for other things, but the team hasn't decided how to handle Leash and Bones tokenomics or whether they will keep some of it. They wouldn't say if they were going to take a cut of ShibaSwap's transaction fees, but even though Rosie, the founder of the company, vanished from the internet abruptly last summer, she left behind a roadmap, which sure added to after 6,000 wallets had been filled with the cryptocurrency. Before Musk tweets, prices have been going through the according to Shy's Metaverse Land Plot Sales Fund Metaverse Development. There are numerous blog posts, tweets, and magazine articles about how amazing the ship's community is. Marcy Gastro's lead assistant informed the Fast Company that they are considering the Ship Army's feedback as they plan the metaverse. The group hired a company to build it using Unreal Engine software, but they don't have an artistic director. ID art is first composed of black and white sketches, which are then posted on a blog to see what people think. Lastly, make repeated adjustments to the colors and 3D renderings. The first of 11 zones to be constructed is the Wagi Temple, An untainted dreamland with deer grazing and outdoor yoga. The community even includes people from other metaverses like Decentral and the Sandbox or Yugo Labs' other side, which is usually seen as competition. Gastro, on the other hand, says that for a place as unique and transformative the metaverse, they need to work together as a group. It felt like the early days of VR. Our goal was for everyone to win. She says our only goal was for the headset to work at times like during crypto winter when venture capital funding has dried up and competition for jobs is fiercer than ever. It might seem too nice, but Gastro is right. Every metaverse has a hard time getting people excited about living in Web 3 or even a 3D web. What works for one person might work for everyone. Even though Mark Zuckerberg worked hard to get Horizon Worlds approved, Meta is now more interested in AI than the metaverse. Central, the idea that Zuckerberg put his company's name on the line for after its metaverse division lost $13.03 billion in 2022 has only 8,000 daily active users. It is thought to be the leader in the area. At the end of last year, Grayscale's Decentral, an ETF, was selling for 60 cents less than its face value. As many as 80 of Darius metaverse coins have been lost. There are now 589 trillion tokens in circulation and each one is worth 0.1. Currently Shibu is worth $6 billion on the stock market, as was originally thought. If each token tried to find a value of $1, it would mean that the whole thing was worth an amazing $589 trillion. Even the world gross domestic product is not even close to this number. Shiba Inu continues to garner news attention due to its latest advancements. Shiba Inu has gained a lot of popularity since buyers believe it would provide them with high profits. As the demand for Shiba Inu increases, so does the community of holders and traders. Naturally, as a wise trader understands, a significant decline in price is necessary because it is now cheap and has a lot of growth potential. Supply still. A lot of cryptocurrency enthusiasts are interested in investing in this unique coin developed by millennials. Thank Shib, the token that powers the second biggest meme coin. Even though Shibu rose more than 10t in the last day, it still needed to rise 96 to a new all-time high of 0.576 by early February before buyers could be certain that there was a new bull market. Shibu went up 15 and was trading at 120 at the time of writing. The price of Shibu had previously retested an important descending trendline support earlier in March and bounced back, indicating that the trend was ready to change to going up before the correction to 0.1. Shibu, whose market value is $66 billion, has several things to do. The price of the second most popular meme coin, 0112, has climbed by 30 in the last day, making a total of $320 million in trades of Shiba Inu. This implies that consumers are purchasing more because they anticipate a significant price increase over the following several days. While there is immediate resistance, the 100-day exponential moving average, on the other hand, prevents price fluctuations below 0.112. A break above this crucial moving average is still necessary for the SHIB to maintain the breakout from the declining trendline. Significant indications of advancement, like the moving average following Shiba Inu's collapse and the market's subsequent dump following Silicon Valley Bank's bankruptcy, convergence and divergence present a robustly favorable front on the daily chart. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD flashed a buy alert. The MACD maintains the buy signal but remains above the mean line. The Federal Reserve will make a decision on a potential interest rate hike on March 22. This is especially true during this week's rebound. On the 4-hour chart, the 100-day EMA is at 0.111 and the Shenu price is above it. This time, buyers are keen to keep the additional acreage they've won. Remember that the daily chart's first level of support is the 100-day EMA. That's all for today. Be sure to use the thumbs up button to view our most recent videos, and if the price remains above 0.111 every day, it may indicate that support is still present and that moving forward is best done on the upside. Subscribe to and share the channel.